Hello, good afternoon, everyone. And we are here. Let me just show you. We are here in somewhere in Kingston, yeah, in this office. And then I have here with me, as you can see, you can use the mic. I would like to introduce to you uh, John Filiu from Celtran Strategics Estate. Ayan.
Yes.
And he's based here in London. He's a property specialist, and he has strong ties with property developers, legal advisors, and also brokers in the whole of UK, nationwide. So if you are looking for properties here in the UK, we have here John who can help us. If you want to beat the cycle of rental with guaranteed 5% deposit plus incentives if you qualify, then you have to get in touch with me, and we can have access with all these developments in the here. John would like to show us ayan, in the showroom.
Get in touch with Jeremy because this offer, you cannot find it anywhere. Let me show you our two-bedroom show home.
Yes.
Two-bedroom apartment. This is 897 square feet. Let's come take a look.
Yes. Show us around. Wow.
On your left, it's an MBHR regulating air system and a utility room where you can keep your washer and dryer. And then,
Wow.
moving forward,
Wow, look at that.
we have our bespoke kitchen. You've
Wow.
got cooker hood, cooker hub, dishwasher,
Wow.
fridge, and freezer as included.
Wow, included.
Basically, when you move in, you already have everything. Gaya nga namang sinabi ko sa mga clients ko, if they're worried about after paying deposit and everything, they're back to zero. Sleeping bag lang pwede na. But actually, IKEA and B&Q, nagbibigay sila sa mga first-time buyers ng 5% buy now, pay later. And kung yung worry naman kayo sa mga utility bills nyo, nandito na lahat ng mga to. So, basically, just move in and be worry-free.
Wow.
This type of property, nandito tayo sa street, Kuya Jeremy, wala kang maririnig kasi soundproof siya. Pag binuksan ko to, maingay siya. So, hindi ko na siya buksan. And then, shockproof rin to.
Shockproof.
Kahit
Wow.
mag-jumping jack ka, walang maririnig yung neighbor mo. It's on my personal experience, hindi lang basta sa sales. So, if you can see around this living room area, you can have everything except yung furnitures. Ito yung magiging flat packs mo.
Wow.
You can do wallpaper, you can change the painting, and at the same time you can drill, you can do laminated wood, do some floating furnitures. All that you can do because this is a private property. This is gonna be yours. This type of property is 999 years lease. This is not a shared ownership, and this is not a convertible that have 250 years lease. Sayong-sayo talaga to. And you can ladderize this kasi nga National Housing Authority 10 years warranty siya. So let's move on.
Yes.
We have an intercom. This is only a dummy ha. Kung may Amazons kayo, pwede na yan diretso i-open. And then we are fitted with sprinkler,
Wow. There.
carbon monoxide detector. Yan yung vent for the air purifying system. You don't need to open your property. It cleanses the air if you wanted to. Nasa sa inyo yon. And dito, on your right,
Wow. Look at
we
that.
have a massive bedroom. This is the standard of this development. And meron tayong upgrades like this wardrobe here. It's about 2,150 i-upgrade nyo. Pero sa akin, kaya ko lang yung ibigay. Kaya nga may mga exclusive deals tayo. Keep in touch with Kuya Jeremy. Ipapasa nila kayo sa akin. And makakabigay tayo ng bespoke incentives. An offer you cannot find anywhere in the entire UK. So, maninibago kayo kasi yung offer ko, it doesn't really exist sa normal standards. So, find out kung bakit ko nagagawa to. I don't deal in coffee shops. I don't deal in the high street. I always deal mismo sa development.
Yes.
So it's better for you guys to keep in touch with Kuya Jeremy and come to me, then we'll show you everything. Kahit hindi pa kayo ready bumili talaga, I always give my clients ahead of time in settings para sa, yun nga, make something na time stamping in goal planning. It's better na mas alam nyo paano bumili ng property right now. Kasi imagine, some people will have to wait for become British citizen. You don't need to. You don't have to. Alam nyo ba, 1 year pa lang work permit yung mga ibang clients ko. Nagka-property na sila. They've defeated the rental cycle immediately. They're looking into buy their second property na. So to find out more, speak to Kuya Jeremy and keep
Keep in touch with me. And
Touch
we're
on
actually
yan.
here in the showroom. Oh. So makikita nyo, I can show you outside. Yan. Tell us, Kuya Jan, ano yung building na yan?
So this building, the farthest on the most left side, maano nyo na lang, estimate nyo, that's the first and second building. It's the third building yung pinaka-closer sa amin dito ni Kuya Jeremy. Yung first building, it's gonna finish this December 2025. So may mga buyer tayo dyan. And from Kingston Hospital, this is only 10 minutes by bus from Kingston Hospital, 30 minutes to St. George's. So easy access siya. This property is promising kasi nga mataas ang regeneration echo ng area na to. So this property can go up to 700,000 within 5 years lang. We will do some seminars sometimes with Kuya Jeremy na mapakita sa inyo how are you going to use your equity, and you can plan how can you use it buying one property to multiply multi-properties as an opportunity. You're not just gonna defeat the rental cycle, but you have the access of opportunity to become a buyer investor. So to find out more, it's gonna be on the next video.
Yes. All right. So that's
Sige, proceed tayo sa tour.
tour.
On your left side is our standard bathroom and
Yes,
toilet. You've got those. This is an additional upgrade, Kuya Jeremy. But I can give it for free.
Wow, free.
Yep. The total upgrade of this unit runs to up to 15 to 20,000. As I said, yes, I can give it for free. Case-to-case basis in tailored, but ang ino-offer ko, it's gonna be guaranteed. So they just have come to see us on our show home. Marami tayo. This is just one out of 200 developments in the entire UK. Pero yung focus namin ni Kuya Jeremy is basically London Zone 1 to 6 talaga. So, mas madali. Akala ng lahat, porket nasa London ka, mahirap bumili ng property. If I manage to buy, you guys can manage us also. Kayang-kaya.
And sweet.
Ito yung second bedroom. This is the in-suite. A shower and a toilet. So lahat ng standard majority ng 2 bedrooms property meron ng in-suite. Yun ang difference.
Wow, look at that.
So I hope you guys enjoy the tour.
Yes.
And may mga queries kayo as always. But yes, have to remind you, contact lang si Kuya Jeremy to get through me. Maraming salamat.
Ayan.
Matutulungan ko kayo, hindi lang basta getting a property, mortgage advice, financial advice, and then even legalities. All that for free. Package deal na. I'm here to help Filipinos to have access. Not just Filipinos, kahit saan naman, kahit sino, pwede tayo magbenta ng property. Basically, this is my passion. Masaya ako sa ginagawa ko. So, grab while the iron is hot habang nandito pa yung offer ko, because this offer doesn't exist in the entire UK. This is a unique offer na hindi nyo makikita kahit saan.
Yes.
So, try it.
Amazing. John of Celtran Strategic Estates will be one of our gold tomorrow sa ating Kantahan Kainan Kultura, second Filipino Spring Fair event. Mentioned earlier because he's got strong ties with brokers, legal advisors, and the developments all around UK. So that's why he can give us that bespoke services in acquiring in the UK. Ayan. So thank you very much. Thank you. Ayan po. So ayan. So we are here. We are here right now in the showroom. New Malden. Sterling Place. London. Yan. Ayan, she's just touring us around here.
The good thing with this property kasi nandito lang tayo sa Tesco. The good thing with this property kasi nandito lang yung Tesco. Nandito lang yung Tesco. Ito yan yung mga buildings. If you go wider, my tennis court, my school, and you've got those pocket parks. This is only like 20 minutes to Hampton Court, 10 minutes to Richmond Park. And napaligiran siya ng hospitals. Chelsea, St. George's. It's only like 15 to 30 minutes radius. Maganda yung area na to.
Wow.
It's only 20 minutes to Waterloo by train. 10 minutes walk to train station.
Wow.
So yun, this is one of the projects of Bharat London, Sterling Place in New Malden.
Yeah, yeah. Wow. Thank you,
Kingston.
thank you.
Ayan, pwede mong kunin.
Ayan, sustainable place to live. Ayan. Dito po tayo ngayon. Find your piece of London. That's London. Ayan. All right. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Bye.